Friday afternoon radar update. So I didn't think we'd make highs today, but my portfolio's through all-time highs again today. Amazing. Everything seems to work better if you walk away from the screen and then just come back at it later. So let's quickly have a look what the market's doing. $250, 100, just inside day on the 250, 100 takes the lows out. You know, we're trading narrow ranges here. Let's not get too excited. Gap closed on the DAX, inside day really, and the small caps actually bumped through highs this morning, and you know they're just down towards the gap fill. Pretty mixed, waiting for direction. Let's go and have a look at the US. We're gapping down in the US after that big spike up. Moving on. Had a look at the volume leaders this morning. We were on volume this morning, steady volume in the large caps and better volume in the small caps. It is now 13:48. Let me work this out. Should have traded 69% to be on average volume. Don't ask me how I'll work that out. So, yeah, similar. I'll just buzz through these. HSBC. Just buzz through, see what we see. CVS, you know, fantastic. High five to those still holding this one. 70% for, it's an AIM 50, isn't it? Fantastic. AMGO, moving on. Don't like the forward looking numbers on that. AMGO. So DGOC, obviously we saw it on the outside up here. It did throw a swing point sort of over here somewhere as well. A little bit horrible action. Dr. Martens, you know, we'll see it on the swing screens tonight. I'm going to punch this one in because DOCS, it doesn't really fit what I do here. But it's certainly, I'm just looking at the numbers, see what we've got for that. It doesn't look bad, does it? Value this, value that. A card, amazing. Surprised that's still a going concern. And into the small caps. Was it 69 I put in there? I think it was. Yeah, still lots on volume in the small caps. Buzz through these. See what we see. Lots with no forward numbers. Industrial metals doing okay today. Probably the leader today. CCT, obviously we talked about that yesterday. You know, the low risk entry was over here on the base, wasn't it, on the base break. pharmaceuticals, precious metals, mining. Fantastic share from the past for me that hasn't got the previous history on it with since it relisted. Silvana, some news there behind that. EPGS up again. Elco continues. Traxis continues. I'll just punch this one in because it's higher in the screen now. So it was down at 60 on the technicals for obvious reasons. We know why it was down there, you know, the supply and the trend not quite intact, and it was lighting the screen up. Now it's gone through results and it's still doing okay on the screen, isn't it? I can't remember what it was before. Sometimes I take so anyway, it got through here and off it went on its journey, trading towards a new set of okay numbers by the looks of it. So that's what's in there today. I've got to admit, nothing really jumping out differently than what we saw this morning, really. What I saw this morning, because I didn't load it. But extremely nice to see Ergo getting a little bit of continuation there, and even WATR's up. Crikey. So, some good shares running. We'll see how they go.